Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm back and I got a ring. What is this one here? This is the Floodlight Cam Wired Plus. So let's check this thing out and see what it looks like here. You open it up and there's a little handle to pull out the inside. How cool is that? So, box empty over here. Now let's see what we got. So we have, it's very nicely packaged. Look how pretty that is. So we have this one here. So it's gonna screw up onto an eaves or something, and then we have to wire it in. So this is going to be wired in into like a 110 volt. So it's going to replace a floodlight system with this. So basically this will be here like that, and it's going to replace an existing floodlight that we have. So that's what we'll do. And then here's the mounting bracket for it. So if we want to, once we get it in, so we mount this first, then we screw this onto it. So let's just see what else it comes with here. I'll show you guys all the pieces and parts. What else is in there? Oh, a circle. Not sure what that's for. Okay, so let's put this back in here. We get, it comes with its own little screwdriver, kind of nice. Comes with a sticker. And let's see what else we got in here. It's gonna be all the mounting hardware is my guess. So there we go. So we have the mounting hardware. So we got a bunch of screws and pieces and parts. So I'm gonna go install this. Wish me luck. That's the camera now, and you can see it was the easiest installation ever. I took off, I had one of these things like this, right? And I just basically unscrewed it, and I had to take off the little, just the screws for the apparatus that held it, and then use those same screws and put in the new little crossbar for this, put the back plate on, screwed it on, put the top one on, screwed it on, and wired up the nuts, and it was just bare. I just basically took off the old ones and put the new ones on. So it wasn't anything fancy to do, but very cool. Thumbs up for me.